आज basically I come here to give a presentation to the Chief Secretary regarding the complaint which we have lodged. I have lodged against Chachil Brothers Private Limited. So fraudulently he has misused the funds of the government by providing false information. Then last 2 दिवसात his whole scam त्याने जो तयार केला फुटबॉलाच्या नावाचे पैसे उभारले without having anything with him, neither a company, neither having utilization certificate given, the way he has utilized money from Goa Football Development Corporation JFDC or from SAG. आज सगळे हे जे आम्ही पॉइंट्स काढले and the whole thing which was exposed as far as scam is concerned. Surprisingly the government is acting जसे माझे कलिग्स म्हणतात ते 3 माकोड असतात डोळ्यात दापिल्लो तोंड दापिल्लें आणि कान दापिल्लो मोनो कुड्डो आणि बेड्डो सध्या सरकारान ती भूमिका घेतिल्ली आसा दे आर नॉट एबल टू टॉक ऑन द सब्जेक्ट वीच वी हॅड रेज्ड आय हॅड टोल्ड अबाउट दिस थिंग आय वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग इमिजिएट एक्शन फ्रॉम द चीफ मिनिस्टर हू ऑलवेज इज टॉकिंग अबाउट zero tolerance to corruption. But this is a classic case where the chief minister has not even, now the government has reverted back on this case, for which I thought it is deemed fit to represent it officially by a proper file. So the file with all details, including all the information that was received regarding this particular misappropriation of funds and the scam with Chachil Brothers and Chachil Brothers involved. So as chief secretary कडे दिल्ले आसा, that representation दिवपाक आयिल्लो with the request that immediate action be taken. There are apprehensions that another 1 crore is being supposed to be given by May 8th by SAG in a time when we all are running. आमचे डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स बंद झाले आसात, कामां बंद झाली आसात, रस्त्याची कामां कमी झाली आसात आनी ऑस्टेरिटी मेजर्स सरकार स्वता उलयता. ह्या उलयता आसतना फुडले पयशे पयले न दिवप आनी फाटले पयशे परत रिकवर करप ही भूमिका सरकारान घेतली. वील ऑल्सो हेल्प अ लॉंग वे टू एन्श्योर दॅट अ कोविड रिलीफ फंडाकूय पयशे मेळटले इफ दीस मनी कम बॅक. जे पयशे स्वता खातीर सरकारा कडल्यान घेवन वापरिल्ले आसात फुटबॉलाच्या नांवान ते म्हाका दिसता सरकारान हक्कान परत घेवंक जाय अँड नीड्स टू एक्ट अगेन्स्ट ऑल द ऑफिशियल्स हू हॅव कनायव्ड इन दीस पर्टिक्युलर इलिगॅलिटी. So हे रिप्रेझेंटेशन आज चीफ सेक्रेटरी दिला विथ अ रिक्वेस्ट टू इमिजिएटली एक्ट, एन्श्योर दॅट नो फर्दर डिसबर्समेंट इज गिवन अँड एन्श्योर दॅट एक्शन इज टेकन ऑन दिस होल केस एट द अर्लिएस्ट विच इज फिट as a criminal case which has forgery and fraudulency totally being exposed.
Any assurance have been given by the Chief Secretary?
No, I have explained to him what the whole subject is about. I think he need to study the file with all the notings and everything what is required. I have submitted it. Now it is for the government and the Chief Secretary to push it and move it ahead for action.
So basically you are saying the fund should be stopped?
फंड फुडलो दिवंक सोदता अजून जेन्ना हे कंपनीत ना हेच पैसे कशे दिले तो प्रश्न आसा. फुडले कशे दितले पैसे आणि तातूंत ते दिवंक सोदता. SAG or the government is trying to give this money, another 1 crore, to please the MLA who's for supporting, which is not done. When today the taxpayers' money is to be used for all development projects and government is saying आमकां economically tourism बंद पडला, mining बंद पडला, आमचे कडेन पैसे ना. जाल्यार जे पैसे आसा ते डेव्हलपमेंट खंय प्रॉब्लेम आसा, आमकां तो उदकाचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा, लायटीचो प्रॉब्लेम आसा, रस्त्याचे प्रॉब्लेम आसा. आय थिंक फंड शुड बी युटिलायज जुडिशियसली वॉट एवर इज अवेलेबल वेन द इकॉनॉमी इज डाऊन. वी कॅन यूज इट फॉर स्पोर्ट्स अँड टू पीपल. इट्स अ प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड कंपनी. व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंटली प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेडाक गव्हर्मेंट दिवंक शकता पैसे अशेंच, तर तो एक प्रश्न आसा. सो आर मेनी क्वेश्चन्स वीच वील कम इन द ट्यून. I have asked Chief Secretary to investigate, so maybe he'll take a couple of days to revert back. I will follow up this particular. GFA is not a Goa Football Association.
But it's government आता होता ना, government funding जाता ना त्याचा. So आणि तो president
GFA is a Goa Football Association which takes care of football throughout the state. I don't want to talk on that. फुटबॉलाक सपोर्ट मेळचो, फुटबॉलाक सपोर्ट मेळचो, सगळ्या स्पोर्ट्सांक सपोर्ट मेळचे. स्पोर्ट्स बीइंग अ स्पोर्ट्समॅन म्हजी मागणी आसा. पूण हो वेळ कित्याक प्रायोरिटी दिवपाची ती ताजेर प्रश्न आसा. आनी स्पोर्ट्स डिपार्टमेंटाचो बाबू आसगांवकर आसा. सो तोय कनायवंचान आसाला कळटलो ते दिवपाक की फाटले जशे दिले फुडले दिवंक सोदता काय म्हणून की बाबू आसगांवकर सडनली स्टार्टेड टॉक अबाउट प्रिन्सिपल्स. सो यू नीड्स टू नो वेर ही स्टँड्स.
So out of the 30% commission is sent.
Babu is the Babu and his own colleague have had these allegations against each other of 30%. So I don't know whether this Chachil Brothers thing also has 30%.
So one more thing, we have seen the infight between the police and the minister coming out and stating that drugs are there and the police people are taking the drugs. And yesterday there was a fight between the two police. So how you see that?
We have to understand that the Home Minister is the Chief Minister, and there are many ministers who want to have the will to be acting Chief Ministers. So this embroilment of somebody being ambitious or over ambitious to be an acting chief minister, the present chief minister being a big chief minister keeping quiet, and the fights between a minister and a deputy chief minister, fights between police. म्हाका दिसता भायर आमकां उलोवपाचें ऑपरेशन गरजूच ना. Everybody is watching this. It is become a theatre. It has become a place where people today are feeling कि आमी खंय आसात काय म्हणून. Government has to give security to the citizens. Government is not able to showcase security to its own government people, whether they are ministers or they are people in the cabinet. So what are we talking about? So allegations are going within the government, within colleagues of the same government. I think the chief minister, either I have been on record earlier, he is not able to have the ability to control his team. At that time, he has to judiciously resign, or he has to ensure that his government runs well. दोन्ही चाललं. So त्याच्यामध्ये म्हाका दिसता the chief minister is responsible to ensure his government runs well, which is not happening.
So what about the electricity, the online billing? And people doesn't know how to do that. So the department should waive off of 3 months because there is.
In terms of economic issues, there are a lot of concerns. It is not only electricity or water or whatever. There are concerns which we need to discuss. As I have said earlier, also economic सारको proper viewpoint माझा दिवपाचो प्रयत्न हे 2-3 दिवसा भितर आसतलो. Let me give you a wholesome feel of what I feel as far as Goa is concerned in terms of reviving where we are and looking at how Goa needs to focus on, keeping in mind the COVID-19, which I expect the next 2 years are very important for the country as a whole. We are, as Goa as green zone, we are very happy about it, but we cannot be overconfident and take some steps which we should feel sorry for. Davangiri has been an example where green zone has turned to red zone with 22 plus COVID cases coming in. 300 kilometer poise Davangiri is not a much of a thing where Goa is very close. So precautiously we need to ensure that we are able to handle this right. ना झाला पुढे त्रास जाऊ.
So what about the increase in the petrol price in recent time? How you see that as an economy?
Excise economy म्हाका दिसता जे चल्ला वाडयत रावल्या सरकारान पयलीं लोकांची कळ केल्यार समजल्यार कळटलें. They are only increasing. When the crude prices were dropping, they were still increasing, and now also we are increasing. So I think somewhere something is going wrong. Let me explain this in a proper form. This may not be the right forum, but today's case which we have come here especially to represent, I have come only to ensure that the case is rightly taken to a logical conclusion. जी त्याची बद्दल जे एलिगेशन घडले असते माते सरकार न उलयता मनाची वृत्ती, बेड्ड्याची वृत्ती, आदळ्याची वृत्ती जी घेतल्या सरकारान अडॉप्ट केल्या ती म्हाका दिसता they need to answer it. So I have given it in black and white with producing all the facts and figures with them for the government to act.
You usually file complaint, criminal complaint against this.
I think we will look at legal procedures. If the government is not able to take any action, I think you should ask the chief minister to act on it. Chief minister action घेणार तेव्हा आपण घेणार आहे आणि सांगणार नॉर्मल सांगता तसं मागीर पुढे कितें करता.
Regards to migrant, आता migrant जे आहात ते भायर वचपाक शकता त्यांचं स्टेटमेंट जर आनी कन्स्ट्रक्शन कामां चालू जाल्यार सगळीं कामां जाल्यार कितले एफेक्ट जातले.
But I think we need to understand what our priorities are. Development समज आसा आणि आम्ही ग्रीन झोनान आसा. It is a part of us to through the industry to convince our people to stay back so that works do not get hampered. ते थंय गांवान वचून कित्याक वता स्वताच्या सेफ्टी खातीर आनी पोटा खातीर. समज दोन्ही हांगा तांकां मेळटा ते वचपाचो प्रश्न येवचो ना कित्याक ती थोडी काम गोंयकार करना. This works those people only do which they categorically wanting we need them to be here. If they are not here and government is not able to sustain them to come here, I think we may have difficulties. Every state today, Karnataka, yes, they have taken a scheme for their whole segment of people or verticals, whether it's agriculture, taxi driver, auto rickshaws, motorcycle wala. खूप जणांनी already flower बनवता. सगळ्या स्कीमी काढल्या. We are not even talking about it. So I think everybody today is expecting relief. As taxi wale, I was asking a very important question. So we need to एक म्हणल्यार येणे आनी दुसरे देणे येणावर सध्या ना आता देणावर सध्या लोकांची कशी बंद करपाची ती पयली करपाक जाय. कारण ही कीप पेइंग हिज टॅक्सीज, रोड टॅक्स, इन्स्टॉलमेंट, इन्शुरन्स, एवरीथिंग विदाउट अ सिंगल नया पैसा कमिंग इन. एंड हू इज ही सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड? How do we support him? These are the small things which we need to look at. Better revival committee galim jayna. This is a vision of a government which needs to come in, and then the committee can be there to help them with that. A committee cannot come with issues and come with a statement when not knowing whether the government is able to prioritize or no. It's just a waste of time for what they are doing. Maybe to play it that everywhere in the last 2 months, what we have been noticing is BJP has not left any stone unturned to make politics out of COVID-19. This is a very clear allegation on charge on this particular government. मेळटा थंय एसेन्शियल कॉमोडिटीज आमी लागिल्ले थंय दिवनाका म्हणून थंय राजकारण जालें बाकीच्या कडेन राजकारण जाता MP जो युनियन मिनिस्टर आसा कांग आनी मास्क वाडटा रादर देन टेकिंग पीपल गेटिंग देम बॅक देर इज वन गर्ल हू इज स्टक अप who is from the press side itself, Amisha Amcha Purvariche, who is stuck up in Delhi for the last couple of weeks. From Patiala, she was brought to Delhi. Can't the present MP, who is also the state minister for defense, who can hire a chopper and come back when he's going to Delhi to meet and come, he's going by a chopper, right? So he can also get people who are stuck up. And ते मजा हातून ताजेच बंगल्यार आसा. ताका गोंया हाडपाची सुविधा लास्ट 20-25 दीस ताका समज जमना हांव कितें उलयतलो
That is the one case. What about the seafarers and the people?
I'm giving you an example of how decisions are not being taken, which are very simple in nature. ताका हांगा हाडून क्वारंटायन कर सगळें कर पूण तुज्याच बंगल्यार आसा तें आनी MP residents. So you're keeping them there, they are in depression, they may do something which may be harmful to their own health.
Yeah, related to the same thing. What about a
And she is from my constituency.
Yeah, what about a standard who are there internationally, nationally, and the seafarers? How is it for them?
I've told earlier also and I'm putting it now also. Government has not been able to prioritize a thing. जी गोंयकारांची कळ ह्या सरकाराक समजुना हे सगळे जे 10 थंय गेल्ले ते सावथाचे चडशे आमदार आशिल्ले they have not been able to even convince anybody. क्वारंटायन चार्जीस जावं बाकीचे जावं हे सुद्दां विशय कांयच जायना फक्त साखळे वचून मिटींग घे आनी खंय मिटींग घे 2 प्रेस बायट्स दी आनी टेल हाव वी आर गोईंग अहेड इज नॉट द आन्सर. वी नीड अ व्हेरी क्लियर SOP being laid out ki baba when seafarers are coming what is the thing, when Goan stranded outside are coming what is the procedure, when Indians stranded outside what is the procedure. This is important. आणि पयर जेन्ना 64 फ्लायट्स आर गोंयचो नांवूच ना हो मुख्यमंत्र्यान कितें उलयतलो. I think there is a big gap between the thought process of a person sitting here as the chief minister and understanding the grievance of a Goan who is wanting to come back home. तो थंय उरला ताणें फॉर्मां भरल्या ही इज वॉन्टिंग टू नो हाव टू डू इट. हांगा गोंयचे लोक जे भायर गोंयच्या भायर आसा विदीन इंडिया तांकां तांणी फॉर्मां भरतात ती रिजेक्ट जाता विदाउट अ क्वेश्चन. नाव देर इज नॉट इवन अ कॉल सेंटर टू आन्सर टू द ग्रीवेन्सीस. सो वेर आर वी? I think we are not able to adopt to technology at the ground level also. Tell how do we keep this transparency and decentralization? Here हांगाय पॉलिटिक्स चलता तो हाजो मनीस जाल्यार हाडया ताजो मनीस जाल्यार नाका हें चलपाक लागलां. म्हाका दिसता खंय ना जाल्यार खंय बंद जावपाक जाय कित्याक इट इज इनफ ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स इन द नेम ऑफ कोविड. इलेक्शन जाता तेन्ना लोक तांकां दाखयतले बट दीस इज नॉट द टायम टू मेक पॉलिटिक्स आउट ऑफ नथिंग.